Welcome to all ME2I students for the Unit 3 section of solid of the subject engineering drawing. Now we study in this lecture a hexagonal pyramid cut by AVP, that is cutting plane, section plane inclined to VP perpendicular to HP, acting cuts the solid at some distance away from the axis. I will read the problem. Hexagonal pyramid base 30 mm side and axis 65 mm long has its base on ground. Ground means HP. With an edge of base parallel to VP, a section plane perpendicular to HP and inclined at 45 degree to VP cuts the pyramid at a distance of 10 mm from its axis. Draw the top view, sectional front view and true shape of section. Now this is the hexagon pyramid. This base is parallel to VP. This is the axis. This is the back side portion. This is front side, which is seen to the observer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So axis is perpendicular to HP. First you have to draw the HP from the top view. Here I have drawn the hexagon. How to draw the hexagon? First draw the circle of side 30 mm. Just it is a circle. We want corner here. Draw the two center lines here. Here we want corner, so we keep the pointer of the compass here. Cut it on this side, either sides, putting the pointer of the compass here. Join this line. 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is OP. Axis perpendicular to HP. Single point is observed here. Then produce this line. What is the axis length they have given? 65 mm. That is OP. Axis 65 mm. Transfer this point in upward direction. Projection line. Up till the base. This is your XY line. After transferring, we will mark the point 1 dash. This is 2 dash and 6, 2 dash and 6 dash. This is 3 dash and 5 dash, and this is 4 dash. Now the cutting plane is acting at an angle of, produce this XY line. At what degree acting? It is acting to VP. This is a vertical plane. This is a horizontal plane. It is acting at 45 degree to VP. So I will mark some point for the reference at 45 degree. I will take the angle 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45. I will just mark it here for our reference. This is a 45 degree, but from axis, what distance they are given? 10 mm. Okay, so take a 10 mm compass in radius. Take a pro circle, or this is center. From center, mark it here. This is circle. At 10 mm distance, I have drawn the circle. Now draw the tangent line. This is a 45 degree. Take this reference here. Take a parallel line and draw a tangent line here. This is your SP. Draw the center line. Cutting plane meets at one point. Single point cuts. This is the SP line. That is cutting plane line. We have to draw this edges as a dark edges. Now the cutting plane action, this is point on the base P16. This is on 1 point P1. This is a 2 point P2. This is on base between 2 and 3. P2, 3. Now the action I will produce here. This is on base. Where is the base? This is the base of hexagon. This is the point P16. P16. O1. Here is the O and here is the 1. Just produce it. This is the point P1 on O1. Produce another line here. Projection line will take on P2. This is the point P2. And this is on the base. This is hexagonal base. This is a point P23. Join it with the scale because it is a pyramid, flat surface, sequentially. This sequentially you have to take. Name XY line as RL line. Draw a parallel line to SP from here only. Name it as R dash, L dash. Draw a perpendicular line, 90 degree. At how many degree? At 90 degree from each point. Mark the points from each distance. Produce the line. Now take the distance. Observe very carefully how to take the distance. This is RL line, this is R dash L dash line. This is a point P16. Here is the point P16. It lies on RL, so I will name it as P16. This is the point P23. Here I will come on the same line. It is lying on RL. P23. Now we have to take the vertical distance. First P1 on the same line which you have already drawn here. Vertical, that is exactly 90 degree. 2. We have already drawn the projection line, that is on the one line only, this P1. This is the point P1. Now this is P2. This vertical distance we have to take in the compass. On the same line here we are coming. This is the point P2. Join it with the scale. Same sequence. This is 1/6 to P1, P2 and P23 by the scale. If it is cone, we will draw with the hand smooth curve. Now here is the 45 degree line we are drawing, where the cutting action takes place on the solid. That portion is to be drawn with the section line at 45 degree to RL, and here R dash L dash 45 degree. This is the 90, so half of 90, 45. Distance between the two lines 1 to 1.5 mm. At 45 degree we are drawn. Now this portion of the object is called true shape of section. This is the top view. This is sectional front view. Now here this part of the portion will be dark. And this much portion. This is the format. Give the dimension, what is with the scale, what is the length, that is 30 mm. What is the height? (65 mm). This angle is 45 degree to VP. Okay, thank you.